The coronavirus pandemic has redefined the workplace and opened up opportunities for working from home versus going into an office. Upwork estimates that by 2025, 36.2 million American workers will be fully remote, which is nearly double the pre-pandemic rates. Among the fastest growing career categories for remote jobs are in IT, health, project management, sales, accounting and finance, customer service, and marketing. Welcome to Gray Skies Media. We are here to help you invest in your future. Please do us a favor and hit that like and subscribe buttons for more content like this. If you're one of the millions who are looking to work from home, we've assembled some opportunities in a variety of fields with varying educational and experience requirements for you to consider. The salaries that are quoted are national averages and are based on data from a variety of online recruiting services. The actual salaries will be dependent on many factors, including education, certifications, additional skills, and the number of years you've spent in your profession. You may need to invest in some additional training, certification, or degrees to secure your ideal remote job. Let's get started. Number 1. Customer Service Representative. When you contact a person about a company's product or service offering, the person on the other end of the line is often a remote worker. As a customer support agent, your responsibilities include answering phone or video calls or working over a chat platform to address questions. The average salary is around $36,000. Number 2. Virtual Assistant. Virtual assistants work in a variety of industries, including healthcare, legal, government, and financial, to provide administrative, technical, and/or creative support. You can run your own virtual assistant firm or work for a company that makes you available to clients. The average salary for a virtual assistant is $22.08 per hour, and your annual pay will be dependent on how many clients you manage. Number 3. Legal Assistant or Paralegal. Paralegals and legal assistants assist lawyers with a variety of responsibilities such as legal research and document preparation. Though most work for law firms, these positions are also available in government organizations and business legal departments. The average annual salary is around $52,000. Number 4. Remote Tax Preparer. Tax preparers assist clients in filing their tax returns and ensuring the accuracy of various tax forms. They prepare their clients to pay any required fees and examine financial data. They also calculate tax returns and manage client and tax authority correspondence. The average annual pay for a remote tax preparer is $65,000. Number 5. Insurance Sales Agent. Many individuals find it simple to browse for insurance online, but they frequently need to speak with a professional insurance representative to help them choose the correct coverage. Insurers are increasingly outsourcing income phone calls to qualified insurance representatives. If you watch a TV commercial for a life insurance business and call the number on your screen, you're probably speaking with someone who works from home. The average salary is currently around $67,000. Number 6. Writer and Editors. People who know how to write, edit, proofread, and check facts can work from home if they have a computer, access to the internet, and the right credentials and/or experience. Some types of writing jobs that can be done from home are blogging, journalism, editing, and technical writing. The average salary for writers and editors is around $68,000. Number 7. Graphic Designer. You could make good money working from home if you know how to design logos and t-shirts or use computer softwares to make brochures, ads, and book covers. Websites like Fiverr.com can help you find clients who want your services. And this kind of work is great for people who want to work from home. The average salary is around $52,000. Number 8. Registered nurse. Most of us think of nurses in the hospital or clinic setting, but the growth of telehealth has opened up opportunities for registered nurses to work from home and deliver services online. The average salary is around $88,000. Number 9. Social media public relations. In these jobs, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other social media platforms are used to market and manage the image of a client in the press. The average annual salary is around $52,000. Number 10. Software engineer. Software engineers use programming languages and frameworks to build and improve systems. They design and install software solutions by figuring out what they need to do and writing the code. They improve software projects by analyzing the systems and making suggestions for how to fix them. The average salary is around $108,000. Number 11. Software developer. Software developers create the applications or systems that run on a computer or another device. They apply the principles of engineering, analytics, and computer science to develop and test all kinds of software and applications. The average salary is around $90,000. Number 12. National Sales Account Manager. Sales can be very lucrative, especially if you're in charge of sales. National sales managers are in charge of making sure that their company meets its revenue goals, find sales leads for their sales staff, and keep its big clients happy. Yes, you can do all of that from the comfort of your own home office. Many sales professionals work outside the office anyway, and it's one industry where working outside the office is encouraged, if not expected. The average salary is around $97,000. Number 13. Project managers. In the operations field, project managers are in charge of taking care of a project from start to finish. This includes things like being able to talk to all the people working on the project, being able to organize and help people meet deadlines, and being able to write reports. Project managers are needed in many industries. The average annual salary is around $93,000. Number 14. Web developer. Web developers create and design websites for personal or commercial use. They can put their skills to use in publishing, advertising, management consulting, computer system design, and other fields. The average salary is around $72,000. Number 15. Survey researcher. Survey researchers are in charge of making and running surveys and figuring out what the results mean. Depending on what their clients want, they might make surveys about politics, the economy, health, or marketing, among other things. The average salary is around $59,000. These are just 15 examples of jobs that can be filled by remote workers, but there are many others. Lawyers, research analysts, loan officers, psychologists and therapists, sales, marketing, cybersecurity, and the list goes on. So if you're interested in pursuing a career where you can work at home, explore your options and find out what it takes to secure your remote job. Some of the jobs listed don't require degrees, but others require specific degrees, certifications, and experience. Many people look for remote jobs to improve their work-life balance, but in reality, many employees find themselves working for more hours from home than they do in the office. So consider carefully why you want to work remote. Also, remote work is not for everyone. If you're a person who loves the social aspect of working in an office, then a remote job may not be for you. But for those who love the idea of working remote, there is an ever-increasing number of opportunities to achieve this goal. What do you think about our video? Please, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on that bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.